wine and chocolate pairings. So I have a secret crush on wine and chocolate. Okay, so it's not that much of a secret, but the genius idea to combine the two into one food orgy, can I say that on here? Food orgy? Anyway, Woodblock Chocolate and the Amity, Oregon-based Brooks Winery combined forces and offered this sinful pairing at Woodblock Chocolate's location right on Northeast 17th and Broadway in Portland. You can also tour Woodblock Chocolate's manufacturing line and make your own bar. So a tour, bar making, wine, and chocolate tasting would make one incredible experience. Woodblock Chocolate is just one of the many chocolatiers in Portland. Whether you're visiting Portland and just want something fun to do, or you live in Portland and you want to buy a little surprise for your sweetie for Valentine's Day, I recommend shopping local and buy not just a gift, but get a whole experience of chocolate. Let's visit 2 more chocolatiers here in Portland. Next, let's go to the Arts District in downtown Portland. Azar Indulgences is right next to the Heathman Hotel, which makes for a lovely night on the town idea. Maybe some chocolate at Azar, a play at the Schnitz, and a hotel stay at the Heathman, all right there within a few blocks. Azar offers chocolate to drink, and I'm not talking some milk chocolate warmed up. Oh, no. I mean actual chocolate melted in a cup, poured into your mouth. Well, basically. When the very nice lady behind the counter gave me a sample to try, I had what some would call an out-of-body experience. Poor lady had no idea how to handle me after that. Next, let's go back to Northeast and visit Creo Chocolate. I believe, see what I did there, Spanish speakers? You and your amor will love this place. It's another great chocolate experience you can give to your Valentine because you can also reserve a tour of the factory area. Take a unique peek behind the scenes of one of Portland's very own award-winning chocolate makers. This is approximately an hour-and-a-half informative tour guided by one of their chocolate makers. You will learn where chocolate comes from and how they make it, then design a dark chocolate bar to take home. Woodblock, Azar, and Creo are only 3 of the chocolatiers in Portland. I suggest going to them, checking them out, or Googling and seeing what's close to you, and support local this Valentine's Day. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey Kerns, real estate agent in Oregon and Washington. Please comment if you have a question, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more information about Portland and the home buying process. Thanks so much for watching.